China's ban on commercial logging in the Kinmen Mountains has helped the red pine forest revive its former glory over the past decade. China is home to about 60% of the world's red pine trees, with more than half of them scattered in the lesser Kinmen Mountains. Known as the king in the forest, the red pine plays an important role in the ecosystem, helping with carbon sequestration, climate regulation, and water conservation. The red pine resource once supported a thriving lumbering industry. However, excessive logging over long periods sharply reduced forest resources. After the logging ban was initiated in 2014, local workers put down their axes and took up farming or became forest rangers.
停伐10年以来，我们林区生态逐步恢复。目前，我们漠河林场总经营面积54.66万亩，森林总蓄积量增长至329万立方米，森林覆盖率92.66%。
The sound environment has boosted the local tourism industry.
我是土生土长的大兴安岭北极村人。停伐那年呢，我30岁。此前呢，主要靠我老公伐木养家。近10年来，我们大兴安岭的林子更密了，生态更好了，游客也越来越多。如今，我们村子里好多父老乡亲都开启了民宿农家乐，日子也越来越红火，越来越有奔头。
田少鹿场呢，已经经营了10年有余了。现在我们有梅花鹿呢70余头，还有10多头驯鹿。每年呢，我们这儿都有全国各地的游客呢到这儿来参观旅游，和梅花鹿啊和这些驯鹿在一起互动。尤其去年那个旅游非常火爆，每天呢都有500-600人的游客到我们这儿来参观旅游。
Local residents have also boosted their income by selling high-quality agricultural products through live streaming platforms.
透过网络直播呢，我这几年个人经济也增加了不少。现在呢，也有不少的职工都参与到直播带货当中。就是说，我们在闲暇的时候呢，把这个我们这里的山产品，比如说这个我手里的黄花菜，还有这个野生金莲花，都推荐给游客。同时呢，也能把我们这里的风土人情以及历史文化都推荐出去。